Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on why starting a home-based business is important to you. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're first time on this channel, do subscribe below and turn on your notification bell so that when I publish the next video, you'll receive. Now, there are 5 areas that we are looking at into why you should start your own business at home. I basically put it into a very simple terminology called P.A.R.T.Y for you. Now, first of all is personal growth. By starting your own business, you're actually getting out of your comfort zone. The next is additional income. So you always wanted to have a side income that have extra money to pay off unexpected expenses. So why don't do it now? Now third is rejection. If you're embarking on the new journey to start your own business or producing a product or service, definitely you will have a lot of rejection along the way. So there's a lot of learning lesson that you can learn from this journey. So once you have know how the process into running a business from your home, you can actually teach. So by teaching someone, actually you're reinforcing that you actually know your stuff. And at the same time, can you actually teach another person to replicate and do what you have done? Or how about teaching your kids? You can also own your own brand. So having your own brand, is it a dream to you? Or you've always seen that there's so many brands that are being created every single day. Is it that difficult? I can tell you the process is very simple if you follow a step-by-step guide. How would you feel if you see someone using your products? Now let's touch on personal growth. So when you're embarking on this journey to do a home-based product, you feel overwhelmed, disoriented, and uncomfortable, which is the first step of getting out of your comfort zone. Now these steps actually a lot of people is afraid of doing because they are so comfortable with their daily life and having a 9-to-5 job. And next, it forces you to be creative. Now being creative means that you actually have different ways to solve the same problems, or there are many solutions that you can come up with, or you're being forced to come up with solutions that solve your business issues. Now next, you're also being forced to learn the knowledge that is required to produce the product, to make the process smoother, or to service your customer. So all this knowledge that you gain, you have to put into actions. So this part of the personal growth, you definitely will learn the most. And at the same time, you need to do logical thinking for the process of building a lot of process along the way, and also what are the things that could come out you never thought of, and eventually this will form the process that you build into this business. A, which is stand for the additional income. Now everyone want to have additional income, and many people can only dream about it. Now it's a chance for you to have this additional income. By having additional income, it also means that you have increased your saving, or you can save more for the future. Plus, it will shield you from ad hoc expenses. Now, how many times that you have the take-home pay, but without realizing that actually you have additional expenses like medical bill to pay, credit card bill to pay, or additional expenses that someone, like for example, is getting married, or you need to pay for a certain tax that's along the way, or certain fines. So there's a lot of ad hoc expenses that we cannot predict, but however, there is something that you can do about it, is to create additional income. And how about credit card debts? So a lot of people are paying their debts month after month after month. How about you yourself making the choice of paying your debt, clearing the debts every single month by using your extra cash? I'm sure that you have your own reasons, and everyone have their own reasons why they need to make extra income. Now write down the reason why you need so. Now for rejection, which is stand for R, the rejection, once you want to start your own business, you will face the fear of rejection, which a lot of people are uncomfortable with. And on this point, I would say that if you want your learning, or you want to be a better person, you need to know and how to handle rejections. As we know that school never teach us how to handle rejection, but now you are given a chance to be a better version of yourself and to teach your children how you can handle rejection and how to deal with it. It's also a test of your ideas and your determinations before you pump in a lot of money into a project. How many times have you actually attended a lot of courses but never put in much effort into producing the final product? It could be producing a video course, it could be producing a product for e-commerce, but you never did so. Why is it so? I'll review to you in the later part of this video. Before you spend money, you need to know what kind of level of rejection you can actually absorb. And also, it's a test of your self-awareness. What are the things that you actually are fearful of? So in this business, actually, you will learn along the way how to handle all the different types of rejections. You can also teach and inspire others from your rejections by understanding where the rejections come from. Is it a rejection to you or a rejection to the products or your ideas? So by knowing this and understanding the actual reason behind rejections, you will be more confident. Now T, which is to teach. It is also for you to find like-minded people to teach them. They want to be like you, to create income right from their home. Now, it's also for you to learn the depth of the business. When you're being asked questions during the teaching process, you yourself learn the most. And this enforces you to know the applications in depth, which you can come up with more effective and creative way in running your business. And the more you teach, the better you become, especially when dealing with issues, customers, and also understanding your students, what are different types of challenges that's being faced by your student. And lastly is to own your own brand, which is the end goal. Now, doing what you like and get paid, it seems like a dream. However, if you like something that you're eating, that you're drinking, you can always think of producing yourself and making a twist to it. Now, owning a brand is not a dream. Like many others have done it, it's just about a process to go through. Once you have mastered this process, you can produce as many brands as you like. Having your own brand is also like an asset that you can sell eventually if you want it to. It's different from dropshipping, or it's different from just taking a product off the shelf and selling it for profits. Having a brand means that you can actually monetize on this brand and build other range. So you can spin off new ideas from your current brand and create a new brands or side branding for other products that's related to your current brand or products. Now in summary, having your own home-based business, the side effect is you can become a better version of yourself and also manage yourself better, and forces you to grow because you need to think of all the different ways to solve your business problems or challenges. And this is why you remember the word P.A.R.T.Y is important. All the 5 factors and areas that you can look into will give you the reasons behind why you need to build your own brand. This also removes the stress of lack of money, lack of time. Once you have your own business and you start to build up enough cash to quit your full-time job, you can now have more time by automating part or full of your business. I hope this video is useful to you, and if you like this video, do comments below and share it with your friend, and I'll see you in the next video.